So guys, this is gigabyte.com officially website. Okay, you can see here, first come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see right side the search options. Then you can type your model number, which is B860M AORUS Pro Wi-Fi 7, and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click to title. Click to support. Then selecting your operating system, Windows 10 and 11, which one. Okay, so I am using Windows 11. So if you are use Windows 10, so installations process same, you can see in this video, and you can install easily. Okay, same method. Bluetooth driver. Okay, so you can see Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo, but we have to install separate driver. So it is done. Just single click to open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. So finally it is installed, and then close.